It's a headlight replacement, the bulb on a 2001 Ford F-150. The one thing you want to do is when you replace the bulb is that you do not touch the glass, because the oils from your hand will make the bulb burn out faster. Helps if you have a small hand. First thing you're going to need to do is there's a plastic ring here. Need to turn it counterclockwise, and that pulls off, and then the whole bulb assembly will wiggle out of there. So you can see one of the filaments is broken there, and that's why the bulb isn't working. We'll replace the bulb. Correct bulb size for this one happens to be a 907. We'll insert the new bulb here, and the tab on the very top will line up with this locking ring tab. It's a snug fit with the O-ring, and you can see that that tab is lined up on the top there. So we'll go ahead and put the locking ring on and reconnect the electrical connection.